Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is creating table in mysql. If we open a PHP page and I want to create a database table, so before I have established a connection between the page and the database as you seen on the screen, now I want to create a table in database. So you can directly create the table from here, but from here on the page you can create the table, but I want to create the table from the page. So here I will write down dollar database equal, and here I will specify the database where I want to create the table. For example, here we specify a database DP college or DP university. For example, DP university. So I will write here DP university. I will check the spelling. Yes, DPUNIVERSITY, DPUNI university. Yes. Now at the end I will put the semicolon. Here I will also mention the database dollar database. Now here we will enter the query. To enter the query, either you will remember the query, or if you cannot enter the statement, then you need to go to open any database and here create a table. For example, table name is test1, test12, and column is for example 2, and then you can enter you will enter the table name first. For example, test 1 2, and column is 2, and here you write down ID will be war character. For example, it is 11, and here if you write down no, ID will be number or integer. So you click on integer, yes, and name, if you specify name here, and name will be war character. Okay, and if its size is for example 12. Now if you save it, first of all test12, yes, name is test12, and if you save it, you see in this console whatever I have done, that is written in the console. I will copy this, Ctrl C, and I will paste here because I want to create the table here. So remove the database name from here because I remove the database name, maximize it, and this semicolon will be come after the double quotes. Now as you see, the table name is test1do, id is not null, name, and no need of this sentence engine. Okay, as we specify, the name is DB University, database name is DB University, so no need to write here the DB University, the database name. Now test1 will be created in the on in our SQL database. So save it. Okay, for this query execution, I have written this one command, mysql query connection, establishing the connection and running the SQL query. Okay, now we will open the local host. PHP files, and what is the name of the page? Page is mysql table 2. So here this one. Now it sees the connection is established. Now we will refresh our database. And we will see in the DP University, yes, test1 table is made it. Click on it. Here ID and name, the two fields which we have entered in it, is displayed. Similarly, you can create many databases. For example, if you copy this, if you want to make it ID as a primary key, so you can also make, for example, I want to insert another one table and copy it and paste here, and the name of this table is, for example, 13, and ID, and I put it is a primary key. Primary key, and save it. And again refresh the page. For example, where is the page? Yes, now connection was established. Now we will refresh the page. So yes, now here you see test13, another table is made here inside the TP University database. Thank you very much.